It's your boy BodmonReafe, and we are back again with nothing but bangers after bangers after bangers. Today we're gonna be reacting to cut speed dating. Would you reject your date? Alright, we're gonna tap into that right now and see how it goes. So let's get straight into this banger.
Oh, that might be crazy.
Sophia has had Botox. What do you think of that?
Where at?
This right here.
Oh, that might be crazy.
That's a deal breaker?
I'm all natural, babe.
Welcome to the button. Speed dating.
Okay, speed dating
When the button
show.
lights up red. Either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Damn.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
This
Okay.
episode was made in partnership with Native. Native has
All expenses paid? That sounds good.
Naughty and nice scents. Will our hopeful singles match with someone who's
Does that mean you can take her to freaking Bora Bora on the first date or what if they're covering?
My name is Blanca. Nice to meet you.
Blanca?
Yes.
I'm Sophia. Where are you from?
Yo, why is homie so broadly? Hold on. Why is homie like this? He can't even sit down. It's like this. Literally. Damn, Buffy. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, let me do that. One sec.
Treadmill.
The treadmill?
Yeah.
You incline treadmill?
When they tell me to do.
Yo, he only does shoulders and arms.
Why'd you reject me?
I think maybe you work out too much for me. Okay.
Yo, Brody's too brolic, fam.
Probably not.
My name's Ken. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm Sophia.
That's my daughter's name.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she's declining him right away. She's declining him. She's declining him.
She's 4. She's about to be 5 this February.
She doesn't look like she.
Is that a deal
Oh,
breaker?
did you look at her face? Yup, that's a deal breaker right there.
Yeah, I guess. I don't think so. I guess not.
Ooh. What y'all think about that reaction the moment he said that he has a kid and she's 4? Her face expression showed it all. Like, yo, I ain't with it. I ain't with it.
What do you do for it?
I'm a dental hygienist.
Oh, touch it. Okay.
Sophia has had Botox. What do you think of that?
Yeah, it didn't light up red, but I would have got out of here. Did
Oh,
you really get Botox?
I have gotten a little Botox.
Where at?
This right here.
Oh, that might be crazy.
That's a deal breaker?
I'm all natural, babe.
Oh.
Why'd you do that?
I'll probably get more Botox, so.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, we gotta go then. That's good.
You can bring a new girl on if you want.
It's up to you.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab someone else.
She's not comfortable anymore. She doesn't like the question.
Celeste.
Oh, I thought you
She don't like the fact that the Botox thing keeps coming up.
All right, so what's your deal?
I mean, like life-wise, currently I work as a substitute teacher.
That's crazy.
I do cosplay.
This is ridiculous.
Oh, he's ready to
I'm
click
a
off.
teacher at Franklin, and I love going to Comic-Con and dressing.
Oh, he's feeling her.
An irrational fear of urinals.
How come?
Like in middle school or high school or whatever.
Oh, so they asking some embarrassing questions at the same time, bro.
If anyone lightly taps you, you just like fall into the urinal.
So
I don't
it's
know.
like a germaphobe kind of a thing.
No, it's just like you get pushed into a urinal, so your day is just ruined. That's hilarious.
You have
Oh yeah, that's what we call trauma right there,
I
bro.
put beard conditioner on today.
That counts. That counts.
Is hygiene important?
Yes, I have a very sensitive sense of smell. But
Let's put this to the test. Give him a good whip. Get over to him. Go
Craziest
over to
thing I've
him.
ever
Oh
heard.
shoot, he better hope that he showered before this.
where do you want me to smell you?
I don't know.
Yeah. You smell like natives.
Does he smell naughty or nice?
Oh, he put on the native deodorant because he was
What did you
hot.
choose?
Candy cane, great. Working great.
His riz is weak right
I
now.
appreciate that. Are you down for $1 margaritas?
Oh, he's a cheap nigga.
Are you unsure? Go
Oh!
Sorry.
back to the dating apps, everybody.
Ask
Yo! A head boss. I literally thought that she was vibing with him. They both are teachers. They both go to Comic-Con. What she trying to say is, buddy, you actually stink. Yo! She's like, she smelled that. She smelled that. She smelled that urine that he was talking about, bro.
No, I get it. No, like I thought that was a good
Yeah.
talk. But
I'd be interested in talking more.
I had a good time though.
It was really good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Celeste.
Yeah, but he didn't have no riz.
you look down.
I
But he
feel really
didn't.
bad because like I did like him a lot, but also I don't want to not leave my options open, I guess.
Wait, what?
Nice to meet you. I'm Daniel.
I'm Celeste.
Yo, sometimes in life you don't have two options, bro. You gotta go for the best option that you got.
Take a joke. Tell her a joke and see if she can take it.
It's like if we're hanging out, like I like to give people shit sometimes.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah?
Oh yeah,
cool.
I give my friends shit all the time.
That's cool. It's cool. Why'd you press the button?
Yo, why did they zoom in on the gum like that? What was he trying to rizz her up with gum? Yo, was homie trying to rizz her up by chewing his gum? Where he's like, yo, his thought was like, yo, I'm gonna chew this gum a little bit sexy. And she's gonna say, yeah. Like, bro, pack it up, bro. Pack it up. Shorty's not playing around.
You're smacking your gum. That's kind of gross.
You're right. Sorry.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, what are you smacking it? What do you
Really
mean?
nice to meet you.
Yo, go home, blood. Pack it up and learn some mannerisms, blood.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
21.
Yeah. You?
I'm about to turn 26.
How do you feel about younger guys?
Yo, he's nervous, bro. His hands are sweating right now. Look at him. His
Yeah.
movement. He's moving a lot.
Toxic moment.
Voice is cracking.
Sometimes I take more than I give
Okay.
in terms of a relationship. I don't know.
He's. Oh no. Let's pull that back, bro.
Oh. It's okay. All good. All good.
Let's pull that back. He got. Look at his face. Look at his face. You came in here acting like you silky slick. You silky smooth. Like, oh, you like younger guys. Yo, hold up. Homie came in like. So, you like younger guys? Yo, go home, blood. Go home, bro. You weren't ready to riz. His riz wasn't up.
Oh. It's okay. All good. All good.
She was really connecting with Xavier. Give him a good whip.
He smells nice.
But did you get rid of Xavier if you connected with him?
I just wanted to see who else was here, I guess. Because dating is like about experimenting and meeting multiple people and not
Right.
just meeting one person and being done with it.
Would you like to see Xavier again?
Yeah,
All
Yeah.
right. Okay. Good shit.
Do you think he would want to go on a second date with you?
I hope so. It sounded like happy hour was in the cards.
Bro, so now she's seen. Nah. What do you mean? Xavier better say nah.
Of course. I'll do that. All right.
Xavier better say nah. What do you mean?
Oh my god!
Yo, Xavier better pack her up, bro.
From the grid.
Xavier better pack her up. If Xavier doesn't pack her up, we have a problem right now. We have a problem right now. Because, bro, she tried to basically say, yo, I'm going to see my next options. She wasn't with you from the start, my guy. This is a sign. She will use you for your money. Now she's talking about, oh, $1 margaritas was on the table. Yo, Xavier, if you don't send her packing, all right. If you don't send her packing.
It was more fun talking with you than the other guys.
Appreciate that. I
Yeah.
still have to hit the button though.
Yeah, that's fair.
I don't play second chance.
Yeah. Send her by a blood clot, yard. Yeah, send her home, bro. Are you stupid?
My name's Aisha. What do you do for work?
Business teacher at high school.
About.
And I coach on the side. So
What do you coach?
volleyball and basketball.
Oh, I did volleyball all throughout high school. That's awesome.
Okay.
What I'm doing. And the kids know.
My boy Xavier is picking up the wrist. He learned from what he did before. Okay, let me see. He tried to smooth talk it out.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
Oh, you can hit it.
I'm sorry.
Yo, Xavier got packed up again. Yo, Xavier, his whole self-esteem is cooked. She didn't even give him no time. Yo, she packed him up. Boom. Yo, where did he go wrong? Should we pull it back to see where he went wrong? Yeah, let me really see what happened there, bro.
What's your name? High school. Then I coach on the side. So
What do you coach?
volleyball and basketball.
Oh, I did volleyball all throughout high school. That's awesome.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Really?
And the kids know, which is cool. But you know, we won some games.
Okay.
Good times, yeah.
Good job.
I don't know what they do.
I'm sorry.
Yo, her
You
volleyball.
can hit it.
I'm sorry.
I think her volleyball coach must have did something to her in the past, because all of a sudden, once she heard volleyball teacher, that was it. Or was it the fact that he said that he's a teacher and he has to do volleyball on the side? Was she thinking like, well, maybe he ain't got no paper because he needs a second job? Or why did she pack him up? But my boy's feeling it right now. He got packed up twice.
I'm out of here.
It's nice meeting you.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Doing how the other guys do.
He was really sweet and stuff.
That's really sweet.
Just not my type.
Yo, he's visiting him with the eyes and the smooth talk.
I feel like I get nice vibes, but I'm sure that you have like a wild side. That's the vibe I'm getting.
Oh, she's flipping her hair. She's feeling him.
Get to know me. I don't let that out to everybody.
Ooh.
Do you have a wild side?
Yo, you guys already know what it is. You already know he didn't come to play. He came and he sat down. He's like, how the other guys do? Yeah, alright. You know what I mean? I'm that guy. I'm him. Seems like you got a wild side. Yeah, you know I got a little wild side, but I keep it cool. Stop this! He's risen it. She's all flinging her hair and everything.
And that's a lot. How tall are you?
Me? I'm 5'4".
Oh shit! Yo! Does height really matter that much? Look at her face when she said, look at this. I'm 5'4". I'm 5'4". Let's take in her face when she hit that shit. Holy fuck. Yo, she ain't shit, bro. She ain't shit. What's her name, bro? Cancel this girl. She hit that shit with the swiftness. She said, she didn't even get to finish saying 5'4". She said, I'm 5. You're out. Yo. Oh, shoot. Yo, I'm gonna try to catch it on her face. She wasn't playing no games.
Me? I'm 5'4".
Damn.
Who did first?
We think she beat you to it, Warren.
Oh, my hand was on the bottom
I
though.
appreciate you, Warren.
Oh, come on. Okay.
Damn, Warren, you got sent packed up.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name's Aisha.
Asia. Nice to meet you. Mecca. Mecca.
Nice to meet you, Mecca. I like your outfit.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
I have a question. Do you find each other attractive?
I would say yes.
Oh, thanks. And you have a really nice face. And you have cool hair.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Which deodorant did you choose?
I chose the spiked eggnog.
Good choice. Good choice. What do you think I chose? Not you're nice.
Since you look kind of more naughty, I feel like you chose nice.
Interesting.
Did you choose the naughty one?
Maybe.
Ah, interesting. I should have
did.
went within character.
Yes, I did. I did.
What did you choose?
Lump of coals.
All right, let's practice something. Hold each other's hands.
Ooh, alright.
Your hands feel kind of coarse.
Oh.
What do you do for work?
I work with my family's business. It's a construction services business.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, so I do like.
Oh, is she dissing her? Is she dissing his hands?
They're still like very like rough.
There was lotion in the back.
There what? I had some.
Oh yeah, she's hitting that button.
Like massage his hands.
Sure.
Oh God. Let me see your hands again.
Oh, she's measuring the size of his hands. You know what she's
Candy
doing.
cane?
It came out.
Say less.
We're like getting in there.
That's cool.
Yeah, what are we thinking, chat? What are we thinking? Is she feeling him or she's not feeling him? Is she gonna hit the button or not?
Here you go.
I'm gonna light up one more time.
She's gonna hit that shit.
And if you don't press me, you win the button. Then you get to go on a second date and get to know each other a little bit more.
I feel her hitting it, bro.
Are you sure we're feeling it?
Ooh!
That's up to you. I'm positive. You know, I'm comfortable where I stand.
She found her man.
This is exciting.
All right.
Yeah, she like the rough hands, bro. She likes the rough hands, bro.
Congratulations.
She like the rough hands. She said, what do you do for work?
Take some native products home with you.
Everything she said for every guy is, what do you do for work? If you want to win a girl, make sure the right girl. So they say. Some girls out here be gold digging. And that's what I'm getting from this right now. Because every man that came up, she found out, yo, what do you do for work, bro? What do you do for work? The man said, I do construction. She felt his hand. She's like, yes, these hands feel like they can make me some money. Yo, that was a lit video, bro. That was a lit video, man. You already know what it is. If y'all like that reaction, make sure you hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll be dropping more bangers after this. Get me?